Hello and welcome to the Quick Disconnects Technology series. Today we're going to take an in-depth look at the key differences between non-metallic quick disconnects, bidirectional shutoff valves, and metallic quick disconnects, show you their respective functions and areas of application, and demonstrate for you how to properly connect and use them. First, let's look at the key differences between these two types of quick disconnects. Non-metallic fluid connections, bidirectional shutoff valves, usually made of high-performance plastics or composites, are lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and chemical-resistant, making them especially useful in situations where equipment loads need to be reduced. Next, we compare metal quick disconnects. Metal quick disconnects are made of materials such as stainless steel, copper, or aluminum, which provide greater strength and temperature resistance, and are able to withstand greater pressure, making them a great choice for industrial heavy-duty equipment. Non-metallic quick disconnects are equipped with a bidirectional shutoff valve design that cuts off and regulates fluid flow in both directions. This design is particularly suitable for fluid systems that require frequent connections and disconnections for ease of operation and effective leakage prevention. Metal quick disconnects are known for their strong sealing and mechanical strength and are particularly suitable for fixed connections in high-pressure fluid systems. Once installed, the connectors are able to withstand extremely high pressures, ensuring the safe transmission of fluids at high pressures. Non-metallic quick disconnects, bidirectional shutoff valves, are suitable for high lightweight requirements or for use in highly corrosive environments. This makes them widely used in industries such as chemical, food, and pharmaceutical. Metallic quick disconnects, however, are suitable for high pressure and high temperature environments and are commonly used in areas such as oil, gas, and heavy industry. By way of comparison, non-metallic quick disconnects and metallic quick disconnects are very different. Whether it's a non-metallic quick disconnects or a metallic quick disconnects, you can choose according to the specific needs of your application. In addition, we offer a wide range of connectors whose fabrication requires precision workmanship and strict quality control. From the selection of materials to the manufacturing of the finished product, we strive to achieve the best performance standards for each connector. Thank you for watching. We hope it helps you better understand the features and differences between these two types of quick disconnects. If you want to know more about connector technology and your needs, please visit our website or subscribe to our channel. See you next time.